Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cute panda fold surprise. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to need some paper and something to draw with. I have a marker. So first you're going to fold your paper in half, like this. Then you're going to get this flap right here and you're going to fold it up. So it's like this. Then you can do this, turn it over and do the same thing to the other side. Now it's like this. Now you're going to fold this back. There we go. So now it goes like this. So first what you're going to do is you're just going to draw, I'm going to do a panda. So first you can start with a circle, like this. Then you can do two ovals. Like this. Inside those ovals you can draw two circles. And you're going to color the ovals in. If you want, you could add eyelashes. I'll keep mine how it is. Then you can draw the mouth. Draw some cheeks if you want. Then we need to do the ears. To draw some paws. You can draw some lines, drawing a box. I'm going to draw some bamboo sticking out. Now you're going to unfold it so it's like this. And then you're going to draw, then you're going to finish the faces. And complete each one. You can draw some paws, just like the other one. Then under that panda, you're going to draw a circle. Alright, now I'm done with that panda. Alright, let's finish this panda. The bottom half. so I'm gonna make it a girl. Alright, I'm done with that panda. Now it looks like I can fit one more in the middle. It's gonna be a little crooked. Pandas are gonna fall. Let's make this last one. Alright, I finished drawing all the pandas now. It's pretty cute. Let's see how it looks. Whoa, there's a ton of pandas. Alright, now let's draw some bamboo. Do pandas like bamboo? Bamboo is super easy to draw. Just go up, across, go back down, and draw some leaves on it. Alright, now that we've finished drawing all this, now let's color it. Alright, I finished coloring now, and here's how it looks. Bye-bye, and I hope you enjoyed this video.